This year, Volvo plans to extend its span in the electric vehicle portion. After the Volvo XC60 was authoritatively dispatched last year, it is before long reputed that there will be another item Volvo XC60 2023. From the bits of hearsay that have been generally circled recently, electric variations are available in some European locales. As of not long ago, Volvo has not authoritatively given data about the most recent age for the XC60 model. It's a good idea that the Volvo XC60 was picked as the close to get electric innovation from Volvo. Since the Volvo XC60 has turned into the top-of-the-line model of the whole Volvo lineup today, principally because of the expanding pattern of SUVs on the planet. For the more exhaustive purchaser, the Volvo XC60 is the best stage to present this new innovation. As per bits of gossip, the 2023 Volvo XC60 will be dispatched by Volvo before the finish of 2022. For sure, we desire to offer all the more harmless to the ecosystem innovation, and the new Volvo XC60 as a superior selling SUV model will contribute fundamentally to both the actual organization and ecological maintainability. The inquiry is, how might the innovation be introduced in the most recent age 2023 Volvo XC60 later? Will it be as old as past age, or have further developed innovation? As of recently, nobody has uncovered anything about innovation. Different changes we expect and make to the forthcoming XC60 2023. The electronic driver help highlight depends on a worked-on set of sensors that incorporates radar, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors. Other expected inside changes incorporate a reconsidered mid-control area design and a changed advanced instrument bunch chart, another remote telephone charger notwithstanding the stuff selector, and another decorate covering and trim choice. Google Assistant and Google Maps will be helpful for their proprietors. The Google Assistant empowers voice control for different capacities, for example, controlling environment settings, finding objectives, playing music, or calling companions. In the interim, with Google Maps, your guides will be refreshed progressively, including traffic information and speed limit changes.